Hadjar Ice 2026 is perfect timing. Isack Hadjar has quickly become one of the most exciting names on the grid after a stunning rookie season with Racing Bulls, capped by a podium at Zandvoort. The 20-year-old Frenchman is now strongly linked with a future promotion to Red Bull alongside Max Verstappen. But Hadjar believes the right time isn't 2025, it's 2026, when Formula One's new regulations will reset the playing field. At the beginning of the year, you asked me whether I felt ready to join Red Bull this season, and the answer remains no. I don't think there is any point in doing that now, he admitted at Monza. 26 is a different question because it is a completely new start for the team. There will be no talk about the second car. It won't happen because it's a completely new car for everyone. You will actually be in a phase where you need to direct the car in the right way, so I think this is actually exciting. Hadjar knows he must keep delivering results in the 9 remaining races. Of course, it's something I'm thinking about. I want to race for the best team. That's all I really want. Tsunoda faces a make-or-break season. Hadjar's momentum contrasts with Yuki Tsunoda's uncertain future. The Japanese driver's contract expires at the end of 2025, just as Red Bull's partnership with Honda ends. A 10th-place finish at Zandvoort ended his long pointless streak, but it was quickly overshadowed by Hadjar's podium. Red Bull team principal Laurent Mekies made clear that patience is key. From Red Bull's perspective, these are our drivers, we have them all under contract. Only we make the decision. The reality is simple, we will be patient, there are still 9 races left. I'm not saying we will wait until the last race, because there are dynamics that make us want to inform our drivers earlier, but we have time. Tsunoda is running out of chances, while Hadjar has youth, hype, and the 2026 reset in his favor. The debate is shifting, it's no longer if Hadjar will move up to Red Bull, but when.